How much 1 million Hamster Combat profit per hour is worth. Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into the world of Hamster Combat to figure out just how much your hard-earned in-game profit could be worth when the airdrop launches. We're talking about calculating your potential profit per hour. So grab your calculator and let's get started. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can I possibly predict my future earnings? Well, we're going to use a simplified method similar to what we've seen in other crypto games. We're focusing solely on profit per hour, ignoring the complexities of the hamster token and your current level for now. Let's start with a real-world example. Right now I'm making about 600K profit per hour. But for our calculations, we'll use a hypothetical profit per hour of 1 million. Let's see what we can do with that. First, open your calculator, just like this. Start by taking our hypothetical profit per hour of 1 million. The next step is to divide this by 1,000. When we divide 1 million by 1,000, we get 1,000. Next, we need to find the price of the hamster coin, HMSTR, in relation to a stablecoin like USDT. For that, we'll use the pre-launch token price on Bybit. So head over to your Bybit app. Once you're in the app, click on More, and you'll see a bunch of different options. Head over to Pre-Market Trading, just like this. Now look for HMSTR and choose it. As you can see, the last traded price is 0.25 USDT, and the floor price here is 0.001 USDT. We're interested in the floor price, which is 0.001 USDT. Now let's multiply our result by the floor price. Head back to your calculator and multiply the 1,000 we got earlier by the floor price of HMSTR, which is 0.001 USDT. And there you have it. Our result is 1. This means you can potentially earn 1 USDT if your profit per hour is 1 million. So based on these calculations and using the floor price, a hypothetical profit of 1 million per hour could potentially equate to 1 USDT when the airdrop launches. This is just an estimate and doesn't guarantee actual earnings. The price of HMSTR is likely to fluctuate significantly after launch. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to estimate your potential earnings in Hamster Combat. Remember, this is a simplified method, and the actual results may vary. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.